Herbarium of India, Forest Research Institute, FRI in Dehradun. The botany branch, one of the first to be created today, comprise of three sections which are systematic botany, wood anatomy and plant physiology. The division today maintains a botanical garden and arboretum having one of the richest live collection of both indigenous and exotic tree species, and a Bambusatum containing germplasm of 40 species of indigenous and exotic bamboos. All this provides a rich source of material for research, teaching and training. Systematic botany and herbarium. This section has been largely responsible for the collection and identification of large portion of the floristic diversity of the Indian subcontinent, started by Gamble in 1890. The herbarium of the FRI has grown to become one of the largest of its kind in Asia. It today houses 325,000 authentic plant specimens, including 1,300 type specimens, as well as a carpological collection. Some of the notable publications of the division, based primarily upon the herbarium collection, are Manual of Indian Forest Botany, World Monograph of the genus Tuna, Forest Flora of Punjab, Kumaun, Chakrata Andaman orchids of northwestern India, and food from forest. Second, Herbarium of Indian Botanical Garden, Calcutta. Foundation is 1787. Status directed by the State of West Bengal, Department of Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Forest. Number of specimens more than 1 million. Herbarium worldwide, mainly phanerogams and ferns of India and neighboring countries of South and Southeast Asia. In addition to these, there are some authentic collection of cryptogams, Associated Botanical Gardens, Indian Botanic Gardens, Calcutta, and Lloyd Botanic Garden, Darjeeling. Third, Herbarium of the National Botanic Garden, Lucknow. Foundation in 1948. In 1953, taken over by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, New Delhi, Government of India. Status CSIR, Government of India. Number of specimens about 500,000. The garden has been established by CSIR as a central garden of India. Fourth, Madras Herbarium, Agriculture College and Research Institute, Coimbatore. Status Department of Agriculture, Government of Tamil Nadu. Foundation in 1874. Number of specimens about 500,000. Herbarium worldwide, mainly phanerogams. Important collection of the flora of Madras. Associated Botanical Garden is Botanical Garden and Research Institute, Coimbatore. Fifth, Herbarium of the Division of Botany, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, New Delhi. Status maintained by Government of India. Number of specimen about 10,000 herbarium. North India. Introduced plant of economic value, wild relative of crop plants and associated botanic garden. Some major herbaria of the world. Under mention is the list of some major herbaria of the world, along with the number of their specimens holding as a work out of Homegrown, Italy in 1981. Museum of Natural History in Paris, 10 million. Royal Botanic Garden, 6 million. Komrov Botanic Institute, Leningrad, 5.7 million. Conservatory and Botanical Garden, Geneva, 5 million. Combined Herbaria, Howard University, Cambridge, 5 million. New York Botanic Garden, 5 million. US National Herbarium, Washington, 4.1 million. British Museum of Natural History, London, 4 million. Natural History of Museum, Vienna, 3.5 million. Missouri Botanic Garden, St. Louis, 2.1 million. And Field Museum of Natural History, Chicago, 2.1 million. Thank you.